Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. Before starting my session, please confirm is my audio video both are clear? Let me know in the comments. Yes, thank you. Guys, please share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different examinations. Definitely our content will help your preparation. We already completed couple of videos regarding your preparation, guys. Check the videos, go through the playlist. You can see information about your upcoming examination. I completed time and work and number system concept. Almost more than 100 questions I discussed on those videos. If you're new to our channel, just subscribe our channel and share these information with your friends also, guys. Everyone like our video. And further questions, guys, try to solve the questions and post your answers in the comment section. I will check your comment. Guys. Good evening, all. Yes, without any delay, let's start our session. Now here are the questions. Select set in which numbers are related in the same way the numbers of following set. Here the numbers is 3, 24, and 4. And there is a one relation in this particular set. So the same relation which is satisfied one of the options. So which is that? First of all, tell me what is the relation among 3, 24, and 4. Answer this question. So one of the option must satisfy the same relation. Now see here the relation. See, first number and third number, if you go through the product, it becomes 12. And here center number is 24. How you will get 12 become a 24? So you have to multiply. Either double that resultant. If you double it that resultant, it become a 24. Go through the option. 6 into 11 is 66. If you double it, definitely it is more than 35. It's a 132. That's why it is not a suitable answer. Now 8 into 2 is 16. Double the number is 32. B is not a valid answer. Now 12 and 4. 12 fours are 48 is multiplied with a 2. So 12 fours are 48 multiplied by 2, it becomes 96. C is also invalid option. Now here the question C. 9 into 4, 36. Double of 36 is 72. Yes, it satisfies the same relation as given in the question. That's why D is the correct answer. It's very good, Nanda Ramesh. 472 9 follows the same relation according to the question. Very good. Let's move on to the next question. Now you guys tell me out of four options, which one is completely different, like odd one out. Now see out of four options, which one is completely odd one out. Let me repeat the alphabetical position. Try to remember all the alphabetical position. If you remember it, definitely you can save your time in alphabetical series or alphabetical analysis or alphabetical classification. Classification is all about odd one out. Now here third letter, sixth letter, ninth letter, 12th letter. So if you observe that it maintained a common difference of 3 units in option number 1. Let's pick option number 2. G, seventh letter, H, eighth letter, I, ninth letter, J, 10th letter. Again it maintained a difference of 1, 1, 1. Let's go through the third option. 13, 15, 17, 19. Yes, same common difference between the numbers or between the alphabets. Now 16, P16, S19, U21, X24. See, if you check the fourth option, guys, it does not follow any common difference. Option number 1, option number 2, option number 3, there is a relation. Difference between element to element is common. But if your same relation is not applicable for option number 4. That's why D is odd one out. Next, again, pick the number that is different from the rest. Which one is completely different out of 4? Guys, please like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of aspirants. Like, share, and subscribe. Now see here numbers 126, 189, 254, and 270. Out of all the 5 numbers, which one is completely different? Now if you observe guys, 257 is completely different than other. Can anyone tell me that why it is a odd one out? Why? Because except 254, remaining 3 numbers are exactly divisible by 7. Let me repeat the divisible by 7 property. Guys, if any number, pick the last 2 digits and double it. Pick the last 2 digits, sorry, pick the last digit, sorry, pick the last digit and double it. And that value, double the value of z is 2z, subtracted from the previous digits. If you see the resultant is 0 or multiples of 7. If you see the 0 as a resultant or multiples of 7, then entire number is divisible by 7. Let me check with the options. Double of 6 is 12, 12 minus 12 is equal to 0, yes, it is divisible by 7. Double of 9 is 18, 18 minus 18 is equal to 0, yes, it is divisible by 7. Go through the last option, 21, and double of 7 is 14. Now you can see the difference is 7. According to the property, difference is 0 or multiples of 7, then entire number is divisible by 7. Next. Now find the relation. Understand the relation among lawyer to the justice. If you understand that relation, then how arbiter can be related to that information? Now answer this question. See, here lawyer gives justice, arbiter is related to the settlement. He settles the issues. So arbiter is related to the settlement. Remember guys, lawyer, then lawyer gives the like justice and the arbiter gives the settlement. So that's the relation. Next. Find the relation here. Find the relation and apply here. It's all about analogy. Analogy is all about similarity. Now see here, C is third letter, E fifth letter, G seventh letter, I ninth letter. What about A? First letter, G seventh letter, E fifth letter, K 11th letter. So that's the relation. If you observe the relation here, it's a minus 2, plus 2, minus 2, plus 2 relation. Now D is fourth letter, F is sixth letter, H is eighth letter, J is 10th letter. Just go through that. Minus of 2, second letter is B. Plus 2, eighth letter is H. Minus 2, sixth letter is F. Plus 2, 12th letter. 12th letter is all about L. So answer B, H, F, L is the exact answer. Find the relation here. Now see here the relation between 36 and 84. Apply the same relation of given options. 36 and 84. See, you can see the common factor. 36, 84. 12 into 3 is 36. 12 into 7 is 84. Let's apply the same relation in the given option. 27, 63. 9 into 3, 9 into 7. Yes, maybe it satisfies the condition. 21 and 51. 21 and 51. Let's go through that. 7 into 3. 7 into 3 is 21. And here 51 is all about. So 3 times why? Because it is divisible by 3. So 3 here 17 times. So it's not satisfy our condition. Why? Because one is multiplied by 3 and another one is multiplied by 7. Yes, it is invalid. Let's go through that. 51, 35. Go through the 3 table again. So if you go through the 3 table, 3 into. So 3 fours 12, 3 5. So 45 times again it is not exactly follow our condition. Now 45 and 95, so both are not follows our condition according to the condition. So here you have to use the same number that should be multiplied with a 3 and multiplied with a 7. That relation satisfy only 27 and 63. So that's the condition. Now guys, try to solve this question and post your answers in the comment section. Just identify the relation among 4 and 32 and apply the same relation. So try to solve that question and you can post it later. After the session, post your answer in the comment section. Let's move on to the next question. So what is the relation here? Action is related to the reaction in the same way stimulus is related to. Answer guys, answer this question. Now see here, action related to the reaction means action leads. Action leads reaction. Action leads reaction same way. Stimulus is related to guys. Stimulus is related to the response. Very good, Nanakil, Razi. Very good. Stimulus is leads to the response. Very good, Nana. Next, on to this question. Find the logic here and apply the same logic for D, G, E, F. I told you so many times, guys. I told you many times. Try to remember this logic. Definitely, you can expect these kind of questions based on that logic, guys. Now, see here. Let me repeat. Try to remember all the alphabetical opposite pairs. Azaruddin. With the help of that name, AZ is opposite pair. PY, boy. With the help of boy, we can remember PY is opposite pair. Climax, CX is opposite pair. Cricketer, you know that one of the cricketer, David Warner, DW is opposite pair. Next one, EV vehicles, electrical vehicle, EV is opposite pair. General text, for you, FU is opposite pair. Grand test, GT is opposite pair. Hyderabad and Sikandrabad, HS is opposite pair. Next one, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, IR is opposite pair. Jack and Queen, JQ is opposite pair. Elbow, love is opposite, elbow is opposite pair. Man, MN is opposite pair. With the help of different names, try to remember all the alphabetical opposite pairs. Now see here, boy, electrical vehicle, climax, David Warner. David Warner. Grand test. Electrical vehicle. For you. That's why your answer is WT. WTVU is the correct answer. It's very good, Nana. Ramesh, Raji, very good. B is the correct answer. Next. Go through this question. So these are the questions related for problem solving. Now here the information. 1875 is divided among A, B, C in such a way that A share is half of the combined share of B and C. B share is one fourth of the combined share of A and C. By what amount she share more than A? Yeah, the total amount is 1875 and we have to distribute among A, B, C. Now we have a comparison, guys. In the comparison, you should understand that A share is half of the combined share of B and C. It means here the ratio of A is to B plus C is 1 is to 2. Same way, here B share is 1 by 4th of combined share of A and C. It means here the ratio between B is to A plus C is 1 fourth, means 1 is to 4. Now you have to understand this question, guys. If A, B, C, so here the same people in both the information means their sum must be same. So here sum value A plus B plus C here exactly equal to 3 units. In this information A, B, C sum is equal to 5. If you consider same people, their sum must be same. How we are going to equate it? You should multiply entire expression with a 5. You should multiply entire expression with a 3. Then 3 into 5, 5 into 3 resultant is 50, 15. Now what about the A value now? So here A value is 5, B plus C is 10. Here B value is 3, A plus C is equal to 12. Now you will get the ratio of A is to B is to C. Here A is 5 units, B is 3 units. Now you know that A plus C is 12. Here A is 5 means definitely C is 7 units. So what about the total sum? Here total sum is exactly equal to 15 units. If 15 units is 1875. Here the question. C share is more than A. C value is more than A by 2 units. Then 2 units is equal to how much? Go through the cancellation here. 15 ones we have 37. 15 twos we have a 75. 15 fives. Now each unit value is 125. If 125 is multiplied with a 2, then it becomes 250. It's very good, Nana. Ramesh, super. Move on to the next question. Solve this question, guys. All the students who are in the live session, please like our video, guys. If you like and it reaches to the maximum number of people, kindly support our channel and go through the all videos I already uploaded for different examinations. Go through those videos. Definitely you understand the concept. You can able to solve any questions related to any specific exam. Here it's all about ages concept. We're talking about 10 years ago. Father's age is 3 1 by 2 times of his son. And 10 years from now, the father's age will be 2 1 by 4 times of that son. What will be the sum of ages of father and son at present? So they are talking about past, present, and we have a comparison in future also. Let's start here. 10 years ago, father and son. So here father was 3 1 by 2. So what is 3 1 by 2 fraction value means 7 by 2. Let us take the data in this way, guys. So let us assuming that if son is 2x, definitely father is 7x. First information. So this is all about 10 years ago. Now what about the present is 7x plus 10, 2x plus 10. And we have one more means comparison here. After 10 years, father is 7x plus 20, son is 2x plus 20. Now we have a comparison here. Here for the 7x plus 20 is 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4 means 9 by 4 times of that son, 2x plus 20. So that's the comparison. Cross multiply then. 28x, 4 into 20 is 80. 18x, 180. Let's find the difference here. 10x is equal to 100. 10x is equal to 10 years. Now here the question, what is the sum of their present ages? Sum of their present ages is exactly equal to 9x plus 20 and x is equal to 10. The answer 90 plus 20 is equal to 110 years. Here 110 years is the present age. Understand the comparison. They given 10 years ago information, they given 10 years after information. That's why you have to start your question from 10 years ago. If you start from present age, again you will get different equations, guys. That's why my suggestion, you have to start from the data 10 years ago. Then you will get the single equation. Otherwise, you will get the equations, guys. Go through this data. See this question. Two mixers contain milk and juice in the ratio of 2 is to 1, 4 is to 5. If equal volumes of two mixers are mixed together, what would be the ratio of milk to the juice in resultant mixer? See here milk and juice. So here it is the initial ratio is 2 is to 1 and 4 is to 5. Here total quantity is 3 units, here total quantity is 9 units. According to the information, it's an equal quantity. It's an equal quantity. How we can say equal quantity? Then you have to multiply first container with a 3. Then it become a equal quantity. Now you have to change the ratio. If you multiply with a 2, then it become here 6 and here you will get 3. Now you have to mix together. If you mix together, then it become 10 is to 8. So exact, go through the 2 cancellation here. Now it become 5 is to 4. Very good. Next. Try this question. Now see question here. 820 rupees divided 6 men, 8 women and 12 boys in such a way that every woman gets an amount equal to the received by one man and one boy combined. And every man gets 1.5 times the amount received by a boy. What is the total amount received by 8 women? Now see, we have 6 men, 8 women and 12 boys. Let's go through the comparison here. They clearly mention that each woman gets an amount equal to the amount received by man and boy. Man and boy. So here woman amount exactly equal to W plus P. And here every man gets M value is exactly equal to 1.5 times. 1.5 times is all about 3 by 2. 1.5 times amount received by boy. Now see, here 2M means let's find the ratio of men and boy. So men and boy is in the ratio of 3 is to 2, then women is 5 units. Let us take the unknown quantity. Here each men get 3x, each woman get 5x, each boy get 2x. Now we have a 6 men guys. So what about the 6 men here? So 6 into 3x is 18x. Here what about the woman? 5x, total value is 40x. 12 boys, 12 twos are 24x. Go through the cancellation here. It's a 9x, 20x and 12x. If you go through the sum, then the total value is equal to 41x. And we are going to distribute 822 rupees, 820 rupees, right? Then 41x is equal to 820, then x is equal to 20. So according to that information here, what is the total amount received by 8 women? 8 women receives 20x. Here x value is 20. Then 20 into 20 is equal to 400. That's it. Go through the next question. Now see the ratio of present age of Mitali to the Satnam is 4 is to 7. The difference between the present age of Satnam and Mithali after 5 years will be 18 years. What is the sum of their present ages of Mithali and Satnam? So they're talking about present. So there is a two persons here, Mithali, Shapna. So here the age is 4x, here the age is 7x. Now the difference between the present age of Sabnam is 7x and Mithali after 5 years is 4x plus 5. Now what is the difference here? 3x minus 5 is equal to 18. They clearly mentioned that it will be the difference of 18 years. Now the question, what is the sum of the present ages of Mithali and Sabnam? Sum of the ages is 11x. Go through the further simplification here. Difference between the present age of Sabnam, so it's a 7x, and Mithali after 5 years. Mithali after 5 years is 4x plus 5. And the difference is 3x minus of 5. Then 3x is equal to, guys, let me check with the information once again. Sampath, it's a ages concept. The difference between the present ages of Sabnam and Mithali after 5 years. Then 3x is equal to 23. Give me a second. It's not about the present tense. It's not a present tense. And after 5 years, the difference is 18 years. It means here the difference between the Mithali and Sabnam is exactly equal to 3x. If 3x is equal to 18, then x is equal to 6 years. Now, what is the sum of their present ages? The sum of the present ages is 11 into 6 is equal to 66 years. Sorry, the print mistake here. Here the difference of two people after 5 years. Remember, guys, present age difference is exactly same as after 5 years age difference. There is a no change in the age differences while increasing the values. Remember that. Age difference is always constant. Next. Go through the next one. Now see, a cycle was sold at 4,140 with a profit of 15%. At what price could it have been sold to earn profit of 25%? Let us take cost price of that article is 100. If you sell it a profit of 15%, now what about the selling price? I am going to sell it for 150 rupees. But I need a profit of 25%, means I want 125 units. Now, what is the selling price if you get a profit of 25%? Let's go through the comparison. If 115 units is equal to 4140, 125 units is how much? Just cross multiply them. It's a 23 times. Here it exactly 525 times. So 23 is exactly 180 times. Sorry, 23 into 18, so 180. So 180 is multiplied with the 25. Now 25, let's take the 0, 25 eights, 25 fours 100, 25 eights 200, 20 carry forward. And 25 ones 25, 25 plus 20 is equal to 45. Then the total value is 4000. Go through this concept average. Guys, average is all about sum of observations divided by number of observations. It's all about average, sum by number. Now see, the average of 9 numbers is 40. The average of first 5 numbers is 38. Then average of last 5 numbers is 50. What about the average? Means what is the exact fifth number? Here fifth number is repeated in first set of numbers and another set of numbers. So average of 9 numbers is 40. Some value is equal to 360. Let's go. Let's understand that here there is a one number is common in first average 40. Sorry, first five numbers average 38. Next five numbers average is 50. Now see, if you want some 38 into 5, if you want some 50 into 5, why? Because sum needs average into number, right? Now 5 is common. 38 plus 50 is exactly equal to 80. Now 88 into 5 is 440. Guys, remember that. If you want to multiply any number with a 5, 5 you can imagine in this way. So 5 is always represented as 10 by 2. Means half of 88 is 44. 44 into 10 is 440. Now just find the difference. See, why? Because fifth number is repeated two times, means you have to consider only one, but it is repeated in first set of average and second set of average. That's why here instead of 360, here the value is goes for 440. So what is the excess value here? 80. Why? Because we are adding 80 twice. So here fifth number is 80. Next, solve this question. Very good, Nana Pradeep. See this question. Nisha Deepak are married couple and have a daughter named Tanya. Currently, Deepak is 5 years older than Nisha, and Nisha is thrice the age of Tanya. If Tanya is 10 years old, then what was the father's age at the time of his daughter's birth? So, Tanya is a daughter. Tanya is right now 10 years. And what about the Nisha age? According to the data, Nisha is thrice the age of Tanya. So, thrice means exactly 30 years. Currently, we have a comparison. Deepak is 5 years elder than Nisha. So, here Deepak age is 35. But here the question, what is the Deepak's age at the time of his daughter's birth? You know that daughter was born 10 years ago. Why? Because present age of daughter is 10 years. At the time of born, Deepak age is 35 minus 10 is equal to 25. Definitely you can expect one question from ages concept. Go through that concept page. How how we are going to solve the problem is most important based on the given data. This way, ages you can expect a question. You see, a father was 12 times as old as his son 20 years ago. Now he is twice old as his son. What is the present age of son and father? See here, father was 12 times as old as son 20 years ago. Let us assume father's present age is S, F, son present age is S. Now they clearly mention that they are talking about 20 years ago. 20 years ago, father age is F minus 20. At that time, it is exactly 12 times the son's age. Son's age S minus 20. Why? Because both ages should be decreased 20 years according to the data. Now, the present age of father is equal to twice the son. So, F is equal to 2 years. So, 2 years minus 20 is equal to 12 years minus 240. For the calculation, so 220 is equal to 10s. Now, son's present age is 22. So, you can see this information. According to the data, father is twice the son. So, here suitable answer is 22 and 44. Next. Answer this question. At a party, the number of girls is half of the number of boys. After an hour, five boys leave the party and three girls join the party. And the number of boys and girls are now equal. Then how many people were present at the party an hour before? Okay, let's go through the data. Yeah, they clearly mention that number of girls is half of the number of boys. So let's take the girls and boys. Girls is half of the boys. Let's take that boys is 2x and girls is x. After an hour, five boys leave. So finally, how many boys are there? After five members left, now the total count is 2x minus 5. And five men is left, means boys are left, and three more girls are participated in the party. So they clearly mention that. So after this value, both the number of girls and boys are equal. Let's go through this value here. X is equal to just simplification. If x is equal to 8, now number of boys is twice 2x, right? So 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Here 8, some value 24. That's it. Understand that information. Next. Just see this question from coding and decoding concept. Now see DIZ is coded as 25, CU2 is coded as 49. How kick is coded? D is fourth letter, I ninth letter, G seventh letter. What about the sum here? 9 plus 4 plus 7 is equal to 20. Instead of 20, they given us 25. Okay, let's go through the one more. What about the cut? 3, U, 20. What about the sum here? So total sum is equal to 44. Instead of 44, they given us 45. Observation here. Sum of alphabetical position plus 5. Then it become given values. Let's find the answer for kick. 11, 9, 3, 11. Go through the sum. 11 plus 11, 22. 9 plus 3, 12. Sum value 34. But according to the logic, add 5 units, then it become answer. So here answer is 39. Next. Here the question: if back is coded as 11312, cake is coded as 51113, how maid is coded as? Now see here, number of letters and total number of digits are completely different. Understand the logic. B, A, C, K. 11, 3, 1, 2. Write in this way, then you understand the logic here. K, 11. C, third position. A, first position. B, second position. In the same way, C, 3. A, 1. K, 11. E, 5. First to the last position. M, A, G, E. So we have to write the alphabetical in first position 5. G is 4, A is 1, M is 13. So your answer 54113 is the correct answer. So 54,130. That's the logic. Next one. Now see, in a certain code language, temple is written as DKOLDS. How will worship is written as that code language? 20th letter, 5th letter, 13th letter, 16th letter, 12th letter, 5th letter. So here D is all about 4th letter, K is 11th letter, O is 15th letter, L 12th letter, D 4th letter, S 19th letter. Here the logic is all about position from first to the last minus 1. We are subtracting minus 1 here. Here minus 1. Here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1. Same way worship. Means you have to write the previous letter. P 16th letter, but according to the logic, write down the previous letter is O. Eliminate P, eliminate C. J 10th letter. According to the question, we need ninth letter, right? Sorry, this is I, right? So it's a ninth letter, we need eighth letter. So answer OH. D eliminated, A is the correct answer. Don't go through the all the letters at time test. According to the option, we can eliminate three options out of four. Three eliminated, one is the correct answer. And this is for you guys. Try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. Keep comment all those two questions, guys. And don't forget to share this information with your friends. So today is all about day one video. Up to your exam, I am going to take many live sessions, guys. So for both abstract reasoning and critical reasoning and problem solving, definitely I will promise you guys you can answer all the 35 questions, 18 question and 17 question total 35 questions. You can get that score in that examination. I will promise you from my end. So follow my videos and go through that video and solve all the questions once again. Understand the logic and approach. Definitely you will get those 35 marks in your examination. And don't forget to subscribe and share this information with your friends. And I will upload this PDF after my session. You can follow us in the Telegram. Simply search V2V VK, guys. V2V VK. You can get my channel Vision to Victory. Follow us and share this information with your friends and download the material. You can check the Telegram, guys. If you check the Telegram, you can see that I will update the notifications and different placement information and competitive examination information. Follow us in the Instagram also. Just scan or you can search Vision to Victory. You will get my page and follow us and support us. All the information is available in Telegram and Instagram. So that's it from today's session. Hope you enjoy the session. And every day keep participation in the live session. Interact with me. Learn more skills. If you follow us, definitely you can crack your dream job, guys. We will guide you accordingly. Feel free to reach us if you have any queries. Feel free to reach me through either Instagram or Telegram. That's it from today's session. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.